just give up because it gets hard. Real love is about staying, even when things aren't perfect. But the real beauty of love is in choosing each other, even in the storms, even in the frustration. You will always find a way back to each other.
Take it. If she gives you her heart, don't you break it. Let your arms be